Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we take a look at the video image quality of the Samsung Galaxy A7 versus the Sony A7R II. So it's A7 versus A7. Who does it better? First, the Samsung A7 is equipped with 3 cameras. You can shoot either standard or ultra wide at 2mm focal length. The wide lens is pretty similar to a 24mm look on full frame camera. However, the image quality on A7R II is simply better. Notice that when shooting video, the Galaxy A7 actually crops in a little bit. As you can see, a still shot is much wider on the phone. The standard lens on the Galaxy A7 is about 34, 33, I'm not exactly sure, but it's about a 34 full-frame equivalent focal length. The Galaxy A7 has a built-in electronic stabilization function which makes it super smooth to shoot video, much better than in-body stabilization and optical steady shot on a mirrorless camera, which can help a lot when you shoot video. When you walk steadily, the footage almost looks like it's shot on a gimbal. And here is how they look when I shoot myself walking. It's a pity that the image quality on the Galaxy A7 is not quite there. Otherwise, it could be a wonderful filming camera. Here is me shooting with the front camera. You can clearly see the warp stabilization from the edge and side of the frame. When zooming in, the image quality falls apart even further, simply unable to compete with mirrorless camera. Shooting in the sun. Also worth mentioning is that the phone offers a wide aspect ratio of 18.5 to 9, which can be very interesting. All in all, the function of the camera is pretty good. I just hope it had better image quality. Then I would shoot a lot with this camera, this phone. But it's actually a pity that it doesn't shoot 4K. Otherwise, this would be perfect. That's it. Thanks for watching.